Okay, I think we're live here. I think this is working out. Hey, how you doing, everybody? What do you think of this? No, this. What do you think of that? Well, no. What do you think of? What do you think of this? I don't know. Where's my hand? There it is. Hello. Yeah. What do you think of this? What do you, no this? What, everything's in reverse for me. I believe you, but I don't trust you. The brand new T-shirt, the new logo on a bunch of stuff on Redbubble. How about that? Yeah, just got them. Got them up there. Jen just got these done on Redbubble, and they're available on different style shirts and men and women's, and you can get them on coffee mugs and all kinds of stuff. I was just uploading this. That's why I'm a little late getting on the air. What can I say? Doing what I can with what little I got. Welcome welcome all to the show. It's the final hour trading here. We have an hour to go, and then we're done. Very interesting day today. You know, the Dow is plus 665 here. Been holding this level now for about 3 hours. Looking good. Yeah, since about noon Eastern, so definitely 3 hours. In this 600 plus or 550 plus. So yeah, not bad. 71 point on S&P and Nasdaq, up 135. But the Dow at 1.94% higher is clearly the leader today. It is the leader. Oil is down. Oil is up 159 at 67.16. Very interesting. Okay, on some of the stocks that we're following. Let me just kind of get over here. There we go. Okay, there we have it. There we have it. And there we go. There we go. There we go. Bruce is late. There you go. Bruce is late. Matt Lamp must have gotten it. And there we are. There we are. Finally made the shirt. Atta, baby. There you go. You guys are seeing it. I hope you like it. Okay, Rocket Lab is down 49 cents to 14.70. We've traded 3.8 million, and the low today is 14.07, and that was at 10:30 this morning. So we had the opening in the first hour, it went all the way down to 14.07. Now 14.70, still down 49 cents on the day, but this is kind of the best level since that drop. So it's recovered a ways. Can it do any more? That is the question. 14.71 right now. A SoFi 16.24, down 14 cents. The SoFi movement today hasn't been very much. We've been as low as 15.96 and as high as 16.62. So we've only had a 66-cent range here from low to high, high to low. We're now on 23 million shares, down 15 cents to 16.24. Would take nothing for the stock to break through the break-even level. Well, we'll see if it wants to do it. GameStop up 221 to 182.05. The low was around 1040 this morning at 173.26. The high 187. That was just after the opening. 173 is a low. We're now 182.05, 183.36 right now. Just popped. We're up 350. Okay, that's GameStop. Matterport. Wow, what a day. The low 27.20. But it's recovered already 79 cents. We're 27.99 right now, almost back to 28 bucks. We're still down 320. The high was first thing this morning, 32.42. So just today we've had a $5 swing. We were at $37 2 days ago, 2.5 days ago. We're at 28 now. So a $10 pullback. Those of you who were able to roll over your contracts, you should be pretty good shape here. You may want to take advantage of this pullback to grab those calls back. Hopefully they're nice and cheap. ME is 801, 802, up 47 cents, 2.2 million. The low was 751. That was just around 10:15 this morning. Now we're at 801, so we're 50 cents higher than the low of the day. 815 has been the high, and we've been holding very well all day on ME. Definitely looking a lot better today. Spire 458, almost 459 a share, up 43.9 cents. Let's call it 44 cents. 1.2 million shares traded. The low 433. That was the opening. The high 482, 483, about just short of 10 o'clock in that first half hour, and then it backed off. It got down to like 441 around 10:50, around 11 o'clock, and then 12:30, 450. and now 459. And so this is the best level now since this morning. This stock is climbing right now at its best level since it reached the high of the day of 482. Go Spire, go. ATIP 341 up a nickel. And this is the best level in 3 hours. We were here at around 12:30. We've traded 749,000. 341 right now. The low of the day, 335. The high, 359. So a 24-cent spread, and we're at 341 right now, coming on. 5-cent gain, 750,000 or so volume. ATIP, Smart Rent down 73 cents today, giving up some ground. But you know how this stock goes. It'll go up $1 one day, down $1 the next. It just doesn't, you never know. 399,000 traded right now, 10.09. It's been here at between 10.09, 10.10, 10.15 now for 3 hours. So we're just waiting for this to make up its mind. Cyxtera is up 6 cents to 10.06. It bottomed out at $10 even. That was first seen this morning. It got to 10.19. It's only had a 19-cent spread. It's at 10.06. We're up 6 cents. AMC up $1.44 to $30 even. Robinhood up 3 cents, and that's all. No recovery right now in Robinhood coming in at all. $23.97. Vanek Vector's up $1.79. Home Depot having a good day, up $8. IBM up 60 cents. The Dow 678-point gain. S&P up 76. NASDAQ up 159. All over 1%. The Dow up 2%. Good day today. Now, Microsoft is up 6 cents. It's just kind of hanging around, break even. Apple is down $1. It has come back. Apple was as low as 157.80 this morning. It's now 163.78. Now, this is a nice comeback. $6 plus recovery. Still down 99 cents on the from last night's close, but it's at 163.79 now, down 98 cents. So it's coming back on with a bit of a vengeance here, and I think people are not reading too much into this. Backing off of business or anything like that. They're not too worried about it. Tesla down $8 to $1,087. Bed Bath Beyond up $1.12 to $18.23. BlackBerry up 43 cents now at $9.31. Royal Caribbean having a good day, up $4.54. It's $68.61 right now. Then the high today was $69.30. The low was $64.27. So we've had a $5 swing on Royal Caribbean from the high level to the low level. It's on the upper end right here, up $4.50 right now, still losing a ton of money. But it has had, let's call it a relief rally because it's had a bad couple of weeks. Goldman up $11, $387 here, 387.44, 387.50, up 10.96 actually. Looking all right. High today, 389. A relief rally happening here too. Good to see that. Amazon down $7.41. Facebook down 28 cents. Google up $51. And Target up $5.74. JP Morgan up $4. Costco down $2.50. It's had a rough week, Costco. It kind of went from the $5.60 level to $5.27 in the last week. It's backed off a bit here. As a matter of fact, that was $5.60 was the high of the year, and it hit that last week, and it's now backed off $33 from that. So the Christmas or the Thanksgiving Day anticipation ran it, and now it's backing off. Walmart down $1.25. It also has had a bit of a rough week. It was as high as $152.57, the 52-week high last week. That was on November 4. This is December 2. Last month. I apologize. November 4, it hit the high. A month later, 135. So we've gone from 152 to 135. $17 we've given back. Substantial backing off here. Okay. The last week has not been good either. 147 or so. 147 to 135. $12 in the last week. So it's really giving up ground. That's Walmart. Cisco up $1.19. It's not giving up ground. It's up. It's at $56.22 and still looking very, very good. Not bad at all. Disney is at $146.80, up $4.69. A little relief rally there. American Airlines is up $1 to 17.28. That's a relief rally, but that's not going very far. I don't think so. Anyway, there's what's happening here on this market. We're up 626 on the Dow, 67 on S&P, 124 on NASDAQ at the moment. And a Rocket Lab at 1465, down 54, definitely better. SoFi down only 21 cents. GameStop up 220. Matterport down 292. It was down $4. It's now down 3. ME up 40 cents to 794. Spire at 458. That is looking good. That is definitely the best level since this morning when we hit the high originally. We came off from the high trade, and we've been flatlining ever since. This is the best level since the flatlining, so we are definitely ticking up a little here. We'll see how it goes. 458 up 43. HIP up 3 cents right now. There you go. There it is. Now, is anyone picking off any deals? Is anyone making money? Have any of you been able to buy up any of your Matterport calls that you wrote for ungodly premiums the other day? I'll tell you. Yeah, here we go. Matterport, had big up days, too many in a row. It had to come back down to reality, kind of settle for a bit and go back up. Not sure how much time you have left, but there's a shot right there. Let's see what gives. Let's take a look here. Other comments coming through here. Here we go. Jetter says, whoever's putting the ridiculous bids on my Sextera $7.5 calls for January 2023, can you just stop that, please? Watch my portfolio swing $200 constantly because of it. So annoying. Hey, Uncle Bruce, I wrote 3 covered calls on Goldman Sachs strike for $3.90. That dies tomorrow. Okay, Goldman Sachs dying tomorrow. Let me take a look at where this is at here. Goldman Sachs, we're at 386 now. Okay, and I did get $2.50 a share. I did the same on Tuesday with 397 and a halves, and you mentioned to come closer to money, so I did. Thanks again. You got it. Nice job. Yeah, I'm very pleased. Of course, Goldman 387.23 up to 1075. Looks like it's kind of topped out for the day here. We'll see. The day's trades got as high as 389.09. Now 387.23. And holding right in there, and you are holding out of the money calls. Way to go. Nicely done. Making money. I love seeing this. Sell my house tomorrow. Well, yeah, let's make some money. I bought over 11,000 shares of Spire. I'm a bit nervous, but I feel alive, and I'm excited because I think we are only begin the beginning of the move on Spire here. 459 now. Up 44. We're going to hit 460 here. Looks good. It's looking good. Let's see. Until it dumps on me. Bruce. Andy, by the way, I wrote covered calls on SoFi. They expire tomorrow, so it should take off now. There you go. Bruce, remind me why you suggest not writing calls under 20 or until 20. I think specifically on SoFi. Well, I want you guys to get premiums that are reasonable. Now, if you can get some nice premiums on SoFi, knock yourself out. You want to write some 19s or 20s for next Friday, or you get some good premiums on it, by all means. The stock has been in the 20s a couple of times now. It's not like you completely stop and don't do it anymore. I mean, you can still play the options game, but you don't want to be writing on calls on contracts or stocks that are trading at $3, $4, $5, $7. There's no premium in there. Plus, you get a $2 bump in your market, and all of a sudden, you missed the boat there. Let's see. Let's go. Yeah, if it pops tomorrow, I'll just roll. Mirko, you know what you're doing there exactly. Let's see. SoFi premiums are garbage right now. There you go, Michael. There it is. Yeah. Even if it goes to 6, you're gonna make a lot of money. Cheddar is saying, even if that SoFi Spire goes to 6, we're now at 460 on Spire. We're now touching 460, up 45 cents again. So we're looking good here, getting some more buying power. We're up 4 cents on ATIP at 340, 460 on Spire. Looks like that ATIP going to have to do a little more movement to catch Spire. It looked like it was going to. Spire was coming down, ATIP was going up. Now Spire's had a 45-cent day, saying, "Oh no, you're not catching me. You're gonna have to do a lot more than go up 4 cents to get me, buddy." Yes, SoFi consolidating through. I don't know if I'd write a cover call at the moment. Uncle Bruce, Uncle Bruce thinking me will get to 1250 before Jan 2222. Hey, it did it already. It did it in a week. It can easily do it again, but no guarantees it will do it. But boy, you know that ME can go up $1.50, $2 a day, 4 days in a row. It can do that. It can go to $15 next week, and you'll be laughing. But hey, keep an eye on it. Smart move then for sure, Austin. I feel that move will pay off big for you. No more sofa for you. You'll be able to get in the bed. Could write contracts later into next year and get some pretty good premiums and just buy them back sooner than later and scored some discounts, says Paul. Austin, Michael, I'm having to make gamblers to get that rush. Might need to see a therapist here. Paul Rodriguez on SoFi. So, yeah, SoFi, you could write calls on SoFi further out if you wanted to and pull in some premium money. But then, you're going to have to just, keep an eye on how it's going. Rollovers may or may not be part of the equation. Time going by will make you a winner. Hey, there you have it. I hope to be laughing, says Octavio. I just want to be laughing. Samuel says, if I sell everything, I can buy 5,000 shares of Spire. If it ever goes to 20, that's 100 grand and 50 covered calls I can be working with. This is this degenerate gambling or legitimate trading strategy? Well, you put it all into one. You got one thing to watch and only one thing to watch. I want to say, hey, I love the stock. I love Spire. But I love all the stocks I talk to you about. I do. I like them all. For every one of them has their own reasons to do what they're doing and to go higher for you. Diversification, though, sometimes is your best friend. And if you can write options, if you have stocks right now that you can write options on and you can put that dough into Spire, then just do it that way. Just buy up Spire as you bring money in from other sources and stay diversified. Maybe that's the way to go. 460 on Spire right now. Up 45 cents, a 10.8% gain today. Anyway, there you go. What else? Let's see. Uncle Bruce, Dave is saying, I got out of my December Matterport calls below book. Took a haircut on a little liquidation. Now wait for the big premiums to come to Coop. Right on. And let's see here. Spire now up to 460. You're already in the green, Austin. Let's see. Yeah, Samuel, it's a great strategy as long as it pays off. Yes, indeed, it's legit. But you never put all your eggs in the same basket. That's what they're saying out there. That's kind of my thinking too. That's a lot of risk in one area. But hey, if you want to, you do it, you buy it, you own it, and now you can patiently wait it out. You can take, potentially hours, days, or weeks of frustration if you are looking for the instant turnaround, forget it. I mean, I'd love to say, yeah, do it now, and it's going to be $10 tomorrow, but I don't think that's going to happen. I think Spire will go, but I'm trying to be reasonable about it. But hey, you can make the run if you want, but if you have a diversified portfolio, there's usually something always going on in your portfolio. Kind of makes it more entertaining, but however you want to play it, it's totally up to you. Here we go. I was complaining, Adam says, so much while trying to write covered calls on Matterport recently, and then I realized I was up, so I sold the stock, took $3,000 on profit, and bought a lot more SoFi stock. Laugh out loud. I gotta love trading. There you go. Well, however you want to play it, Adam, it's totally up to you. I like the idea of writing calls once the stock reaches that level, and just take that income in and then buy up what you want to move into next. And that's the game plan. Or just buy up more of what you got to write more options and become an option monster. You can go from 200 shares to 300 to 500 to 800 to 1,500 shares, and you're now writing 15 calls at a time. You're bringing in some serious coin here, and you're beginning a little more. It's just a lot more fun. But hey, trading is trading, and you do the way you want to do it. It's okay. Anyway, there you have. Austin, Auntie, I told Dad about Spire today. Now he's driving over 30 minutes to my office to drop off a check. Here we go. Oh man, oh man. Okay, I almost put all my eggs in my SoFi basket. Let's see here. You could be like the guy on Wall Street Best who just got margin called for $500,000. Oh man. Let's see. Don't put your eggs in one basket. Eat the eggs and turn the baskets into scrap to make a shelter out of it. Yeah, Rod Zolga. That sounds like something Ron Swanson would say. That's right. Okay, you sold your dad too? I have to hear a thesis now. What is making you this certain to put that much money into it? I'm purely curious, no opinion. Adam, Spire will go up a lot the day of the investor meeting. Great swing trade to buy $5,000 shares today and sell next week. Carol, article, good for you, but you can get burned very fast. Anyway, good luck. Make the best decisions for you. Austin Cheddar, I could see in Uncle Bruce's eyes. He believes in Spire, and that was enough for me. There you go. Okay. You can put all your eggs in Spire, and that's actually a great idea. No issue there. Carol, luck. B Castle, I'm with you too. Bought 11,000 shares Spire. It's gonna happen. There you go. 457 right now, up 42. 340 on the ATIP, up 4 cents. ME up to 795. At 795, up 41. GameStop up 99 cents. Matterport down 288. SoFi down 17. The Dow still positive, 627. Dow S&P up 66. Nasdaq up 126. Dow up 627. Okay. It's right. John Cheddar Stacks says he's not the only one that believes in the stock. To each his own, but the company has big upside. Let's see. Austin B Castle Spire Bros. Auntie, what is wrong with Smart Rent today? Yesterday it was testing 11, and now what? Arco, aha, story of my life, Carol. My arse can't take any more scarring. Cheddar, yeah, I mean swing trading, yeah, but is that the intent? Arco, thanks, Cheddar. Do you guys have a cardboard box I can borrow if it doesn't work out? Let's see. Some of these analogies. Oh, geez. Yes, you can all sleep in the basement. It's a huge basement. I got a big basement. Let's see. Stacks, 260 million cash in the bank. Total liabilities, 200 million. Seems like a smallish risk for such a well-financed company. Who knows? Says Austin. And Bruce, I will donate $10 if you wrote Spire across your forehead for the rest of the show. Maybe we can get Spire to move higher. Right. Austin, are you going to sell when it hits 9 though, or hold? And who knows? Where are we at right now? 457 and a half. We're at 342 on ATIP, up 6 cents, moving up a little bit. Thank you. 89-cent gain on GameStop, holding a bit of a gain there. We're still up 625 on the Dow. All right. Yep. Let's see here. Yeah, 457 on Spire. Ariko says, maybe Bruce will take me on the road with him. What do you say, Bruce? Talk to Jennifer about that. And good luck. Drops. Adam, you may have to add a few zeros to that $10 to make that happen. Austin, the goal is to hit 15 and finish off my house. If it doesn't, it will be tenting. I'll be tenting in the backyard without my wife. Sharon, question: did Jen notice the literary reference that she inspired in Perilous Gambit? I have to ask her that one. I'll have to ask her that. B Fitz, Bruce, is it wise to have stop losses in place for calls? The thing is, you can't time the bottom, but feels like you're wasting the upside potential if you're down 40 on the contract. No more dollars to buy dip. I would not put in a stop losses on calls. No, I would not. Too volatile. You might get taken out when you really don't want to because the stock just whipsaws down and straight up again, and then you're gone. You're wiped out, and you got nothing left. I would not be doing it. Let's see. Let's go. Me and Jen, we're like this. Oh, we're tight. Oh, yeah, it's all good. Bruce, it's no problem. I'll talk to her. Yeah. Let's see. 458 now on Spire, 344 up 8 cents on ATIP. ATIP is moving. And yeah, there you go. Mirko, if you could afford 5,000 Spire, I have a strategy for you. Buy 100 GameStop, write calls on it, and buy 250 Spire each week with the premiums from GameStop. There you go. And let's see here. Just too many funny comments. Way to go, guys. We're at 459, I think, on Spire. Yep, back up to 459, 343 on ATIP. A little higher on the two of them lately. See what they want to do. Oh man, I tell you, I'm working hard. Yeah. 650 on the Dow, up 1.91. There you are. I just liquidated a mutual fund this morning, about 1,000 Spire and 700 SoFi. Giddy up, says BW. Right on, getting ready to write options on SoFi soon, I hope too. Okay. Bobby is saying, if you take me, Uncle Bruce, I can answer your 800 number for you. Also, I don't know right from wrong, and I won't eat much. Gonzo, everything I have was green for the first time for about 3 seconds. Nomacity, I recently put all my eggs in SoFi. I just don't feel like being diversified right now. SoFi is my jam, and all I can do is chill and wait. But upside will be nice with all the cash in it. Erico says, lighten up. He's laughing. Let's see. Auntie says, nice going, BW, USAF. And Cheddar Stack says, Nomacity, that's what I did the last time SoFi was at 15 and it went up to 23, and I sold my calls and made a couple of thousand. Michael Downs, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome, Michael, to the show and the party. The gang, we're at 459 on Spire, up 44, 345, up 9 cents on ATIP. We're moving higher now on ATIP. The Dow holding a 652 gain here, and S&P's up 67 and NASDAQ up 126. The NASDAQ's up 0.83%, S&P's up 1.5%, the Dow's up 1.91%. Oil, 161 higher at 67.18. Okay. Yeah, no matter. Yeah, although I probably won't sell anytime soon, even if it swings again to 23 and back to 16. Not giving it up. Interesting. 1625 on SoFi, down 14 cents. Rocket Lab, 1466, down 53. The GameStop, 181.10, up $1.26. Matterport still at 28.30, down 288. 792 on ME, Spire 458, 459, 345 on ATIP. Smart Rent still down 76 cents to 1006. Xterra up 9 to 1009. Yeah, interesting markets. Dow up 655. Microsoft down 15 cents. Apple down $1.32. Tesla down $16. Goldman Sachs up 11.35, 387.83. Google up $45. Amazon down 12, and Facebook down 67 cents. Cisco up 131, 56.34. That's what we're watching here intently. 670 point gain on the Dow. The high on the day now on the Dow. Let's take a look at that. The high number today was 34,749. 34,749. We're at 707 right now. We're up 685. So we're 42 points behind the high of the day on the Dow. We're moving up to it again with 29 minutes to go. The Dow is inching up for the high of the day right now. Still 46 points away from the high of the day. Now 40 points away, 709. So the Dow's up 687. It's going to have to break 700. It's going to have to be up 727 to hit the new high, if it's going to do it at all. Has to have a 727 point gain. Okay. Well, we'll watch that and see what's going on. SoFi's down only 8 cents. It's coming on right now, 1631. We've got Spire at 459, up 44, and we have ATIP at 344, up 8. So a little more improvement there right now. 28 point, something like that. Yeah, some 690 point gain now on the Dow, 696 point gain on the Dow. So 718 is the 34, 718 on the Dow. So we're coming into what, the final 20 points, 20 points away from a new high on the day for the Dow right now. That's 2.09% higher. S&P is up 1.7 and NASDAQ is 1.05 points percentage higher so far. Okay. 709 now on the Dow. We are 10 points, a little over 10 points away from the high of the day right now on the Dow at 733. I'm reading too many numbers simultaneously here. Yeah. 9 points or so, 8 or 9 points would bring the Dow to the high of the day right here. That is the story. So that is helping some of your stocks right now. Spire 462 up 47. 344 on ATIP. Spire 462, highest level since 10:15 this morning. Definitely better. Definitely. Okay. Are we able to watch or listen to the investor meeting on Spire? That'll probably be on. It'll be on the internet for sure. Will it be? It might be available through like Spire's own investor relations department, something like that. I'm not sure. Okay. Let's see. It's 3:30 where I am and it's dark out. Why the face? Oh no. Yeah. Hey, Uncle Bruce, can SoFi Spire ATIP be at ATH all-time highs next week? Please, can you just make a call? Stunning, says NTPC. We're right up there. Okay. Okay. Nomacity. Michael says, Nomacity, I'm with you. I'm too busy to keep an eye on everything, so I pared down my portfolio down to 4 stocks that I believe in. All right. And if I find a link, Adam says, to tune into the Spire investment meeting, I will share that. You know what? John says, I'm good with a quick triple. I'm good with that. It's all fine. Let's see. Let's chill and see what we get. A bull market again. You never know. Might be crash early next year. New highs. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Doesn't matter if you're an option writer. You make money no matter what. The consensus from the Uncle Bruce crowd is that we are all cool with the Spire triple. There you go. I want a quad, says Michael. There's always one, There's always one. Cheddar says, even I'm okay with a triple. It's never enough for Mike, though. John's laughing. So is he. Let's see. Speaking of December 7, Rocket Lab and BKSO will be doing their relaunch on that day. I have high hopes. Let's see. Good evening to both simpletons and bagel gangers. Thank you, Socials. Bama Babe, weird day today. All my SPAC stocks are green except Matterport, Rocket Lab, Smart, and SoFi. Now that is weird. Laugh out loud. Okay, I'll take the quad too. I'll take the quad, says anti-PC. Let's see. Let's see. I love this group, says John. We've got 461 on Spire. We've got 344, up about 8 cents on ATIP, up $1.12 on GameStop. SoFi down 1 penny now, 1638. SoFi looking to go green on a volume of 24,460,000 shares, 24,460,000. We're about to break even if it can go up 1 more penny. 1638 last trade on your SoFi. The high of the day, 1662, just around between 12 and 1 o'clock today. So a little more needed, and we're green on SoFi. So we'll watch for that. And we're at 460 on Spire right now. The Dow at 4 is now still ahead, but it's ahead at 681 points, which is about 40 points away from the high of the day about. And we're up 73 on S&P, and we're up 153 on NASDAQ. We have, oh my gosh, 24 minutes to go. Bruce has to hang on for 24 minutes. He is so tired. It is unbelievable how tired he is. Look at that SoFi, up 3 cents. We're up. We're green on your SoFi, 1642. Yay! On the SoFi. 460 on Spire and 342, up 6 cents on ATIP. Flint Creek Soap Company. What? I'm here. What did I miss? Matterport is down 258 after being down $4. Matterport now 28.60. It hit a low of 27.20. So it was $1.40 lower than this, approximately, and $1.50 lower than this, and it's come back nicely so far. 9.8 million on Matterport. There have been opportunities to buy back call options on Matterport lately. Very good, and rollovers are happening in slow motion. Some folks have bought back 25s, and they're going to write 30s or 35s as the stock runs back up. Yes, good move. Everyone's watching Matterport now closely for their next option opportunity. That is good stuff. Go 23andMe, $7.95, up 41 cents. Smart Rent still down 72 cents at 10.10. Hit a low of 9.99, now at 10.11. It's up 12 cents from its low on 453,000. We'll see if there's any kind of a rally in Smart Rent at the end of the day here. Sometimes it does these kinds of things. Cyxtera is up 9 to 10.09 a share. Matterport down 237. We have Rocket Lab down 47 cents to 14.72. It's climbing, still climbing back. The low is 14.07. We are 65 cents off the low of the day on Rocket Lab. Still down, however, 47 cents. SoFi now up 3. GameStop up $1.37. And we're at 460 on Spire. Still watching the Spire. All right. What's going on here? What's going on? I told you SoFi would take off. I told you, says Anti-PC. It's just starting. Shh, just starting, says Jen. I finally took a position on 23andMe. That dip under 8, I couldn't pass it up. Good move, James. Good move. Everybody gets a quad, says Mike. Let's see. Weekend's almost here, Uncle Bruce. Oscar, I got 10,000 shares of SoFi at 16.16. Right on. 16.43 up 4. Let's see. Alexander thinks he's the curse. Stop that. It's contagious, says Larry. SoFi finishes up $1 today, and I'm shotgunning. Who's with me, says Austin. SoFi Technologies CEO Anthony Noto presents at the 5th Annual Virtual Wells Fargo TMT Summit Conference Call. Okay. John says, I'm in, Austin. Michael says, I have no beer. Cheddar, I just want a quad for Christmas, though. Just want to, brop down the trails. Matthew, Black Gods, I've been trying to get powder all day to buy SoFi. Don't go up now. No. Rocket Lab needs to take off. It shouldn't be at these levels. That's a good observation. I agree with it. We're up 4 on SoFi. We're up to 796 on ME, up 43. Still sitting at around 460 on Spire and 342 or so on ATIP. Matthew, you shouldn't have sold your soul. Market's always open, You should have sold your soul. That's it. You should have. Okay. Let's see. Let's go. With recent conference activity, I'm hoping to see MS, Credit Suisse, and Wells Fargo upgrades for SoFi. Interesting. Okay. What else we got? I love SoFi, says Oscar. Look what you did on SoFi. Cheddar Stack says to Auntie. Dropped an anchor on its head. It's up a nickel now. Here it goes. Up a nickel. Okay. 3,000 Spire at 506. Come on, back to me, my precious. And Spire, go, baby. Let's see. So after today, Exactor turns into Spire. I think that's already been happening. I don't know if Exactor's shares even trade anymore. That might be the end of trading tonight. Let's see. It could be that starting tomorrow, John, there will be no trading on Exactor anymore. It will only be Spire. I think so. 460.5 on Spire. Trying to go to 461 right now. Go Spire, go. Come on, baby. 343 and ATIP up 7. Let's go. Cheers, everybody from around the world. Thank you all for being here. How are we doing on the thumbs up button? We've got 143 thumbs ups. Are you guys able to hit that thumbs up button for me? Can you put some momentum on that meter? Let's get that thing over 200 as quick as possible, please. Hit that sucker. This is always the smaller of the two shows during the day. If anybody can hit that thumbs up button, that would be really good. Thank you all very much. Every little bit helps indeed. Let's see here. 170 now. That is awesome. 170 thumbs ups and climbing. Fantastic. 460.57 on the Aspire, trying to get through here to 461 and beyond. Don't know if you've saw it. If you've just joined me, this is now available on Redbubble. You can now buy this shirt. You can now buy this design. I believe you, but I don't trust you, with that little logo down there from Uncle B. That t-shirt is now available on Redbubble. Head on over to my Redbubble store and check it out. All kinds of designs are available. We have men's and women's tops. We have cups. We've got cell phone covers. We got notebooks. We got all kinds of product with that logo on it now. And we have more coming next week. So stand by. We'll keep it going, baby. We're going to keep it going. Fabulous. Thank you all. I believe you, but I don't trust you. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Right on. Let's go. Okay. I was able to buy my Bannerport calls back cheap today. Glad I didn't panic and buy them back at a huge loss. Way to go, Samuel. Way to go. Smash the thumbs up button for Bruce. And let's see. I hit that like button. I almost forgot. If Spire is being shorted, it has to be naked. There's no other way it's being heavily shorted. Yep, the exact Earth will delist on the Toronto Stock Exchange at the bell today. There you go. Alrighty. Let's see. I can't wait to buy. Been looking to replace my Affliction t-shirts. Let's see. There's got to be a t-shirt that says, "Get the crud out of my mouse." Yeah, I bought my Matterport cover calls back too early today. And TIP ranks has SoFi at 25.57. Interesting. And my average on ME went from 1096 to 782. Bet my wife's boyfriend didn't pull that one off. No, my mouse, Bruce. No, my mouse. Okay, Spire 461.9. Looks like we're going for 462 on Spire. Going a little higher here. 342 up 6 cents on ATIP. We're down to 16 minutes on the day. ME is pushing $8. We're at $7.99, trying to hit $8 here. We're up 43 cents, 44 cents, 45 cents. Matterport still down 238 at 28.80. GameStop up 126. SoFi up a nickel at 16.44. Rocket Lab only down 35 cents now to 14.84. The little pop coming in on Rocket Lab right now. We're down 34 cents to 4.85. Okay, go. 461, 462 on Spire. Go Spire, trying to get up to 47-cent gain here. The high of the day on Spire, 483. It's not that far from the high of the day. I don't know if it'll do it, but who knows? We got the Dow up 718 points again, pushing the high of the day around here, trying to anyway. The high of the day is 34,759. We're at 724. So we're 35 points away from the high of the day. That would mean 737-point gain on the day. That's what we would need to hit a new high for the Dow. We do have 14 minutes. One never knows. We're jumping around. We'll see what gives. We'll find out. 1481 on Rocket Lab, down 38 now. SoFi up 1 penny, GameStop up $1.16, Matterport down 250, ME 792, Spire 461, ATIP 342.5, up 6.5 cents. There's the deal. that's it. That's where we're at. Let's see. Every time there's a spike on Spire, it gets nailed here. It gets leveled. And let's go. Yeah, I'm here. I did get nervous and bought back my covered calls and resold for Friday. Thank you, Tio. I've watched Spire every day right along with all of you. It looks manipulated, says Cheddar Stacks. That t-shirt idea is really good. Let's see. And that's where we're at right now. 462 on Spire again. Looks like it, 462. We got the Dow still holding a gain, but it's at 677 right now. Federal Trade Commission sues to block NVIDIA Corporation's acquisition of ARM Limited, the largest semiconductor merger in history. Issues there. Let's see. When Spire gets to the 6 range and holds, then I'll start to pay attention. Let's see. Get the credit on the mouse belongs on a mouse pad, right? Right on. We are down 39 on Rocket Lab, 1480. We're up 4 cents on SoFi. GameStop up 111. Matterport 2856 down 260. We're down 2854, 264 lower on Matterport. ME 789 now down. It's still up 35 cents, but it's at 789. Spire 461 right now, and ATIP 342.5. That's it. That's where we're at. We're down to 12 minutes, guys. 12 minutes, and we're done for the day today. What is going to happen? We have 221 thumbs up because you guys responded to my pleas. Thank you so much for hitting that thumbs up button and getting us up to 221 thumbs ups now. That is great stuff. It's all helping. Those of you watching rerun, please hit that thumbs up button too. Even after hours, it doesn't hurt the channel at all. SoFi up 7 cents now, 16.46. GameStop only up 95 cents. 461 to 462 on Spire again. It looks like it wants to go higher. Little bit of an inching up here. I don't know. Spire volume on the day 1.339 million. It's not like it's doing 20 million a day, but it is over 1.3 million. It is. It's just gaining a little bit of upper movement just every hour since 11 this morning. It's recovering from its low of the day, which was 433. It got down to 433 and now 461. Thank you, Spire. Just go higher. That's all I ask. It's not complicated. We're up 6 cents on SoFi, 16.45. GameStop still holding at 180.77. All right. Okay, Dow 687 point gain, big day today. Now 692, coming on again here in the last 10 minutes, 11 minutes. 693 on the Dow, 694 now on the Dow, 2.04% gain. All right. Yeah, man, there is the deal. 244 thumbs ups. We're going to hit 250 here in 6 thumbs ups. We're going to have 250 thumbs ups. Thank you, everybody. 462 on Spire. Just went through that resistance level of 461.5. 462 Spire. Let's see here. Let's go. I'm back, says Damn it, Jim. No, I'm not here to start anything, says Adam, but the picture behind the TV is clearly crocked. What picture behind what television are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about. Everything here is straight. Everything here is perfectly aligned, and there is no lamp. So I don't know what's going on here. I don't know. I've been away the last few days, says Rudy. What have I been missing? Rudy, you're gonna have to watch the reruns. What can I say? Let's go. John, I'm number 231 on the thumbs up scale for you, buddy. And even if I miss a show, I just try to give it a thumbs up anyway. I appreciate that. That's a good thing. We're up 6 cents on SoFi, 16.44. 7.96 on ME, 4.62 on Spire, up 47 cents. We're up 6.6 cents on ATIP. Okay. I've been away for a while. How's it going here? Michael, dear Matterport, you're killing me. Please stop. Thank you, your friend Mike. Please tell me I'm not the only one buying Disney. Why are you buying Disney? I wouldn't touch that with a 10-foot cattle prod right now. Joe, wondering if we may see some interesting Spire aftermarket activity today. That's possible. That could happen. Wow. I look at a 5-year chart. I think it's a buy. It's not a buy. Disney. I do not like Disney. Damn it, Jim. 20 years from now, when SoFi is $50,000 a share, I'm going to hit Bruce up and send him a cool $9.99 donation. I'm going to send that to him. Say, here you go. Why 21 years, you ask? I won't pay taxes on it, you see. There you go. Yeah, the light in the background is blinding. Laugh out loud. I know. What light? What are you talking about? Light? What? I don't see a light. You see a light over there? I don't see a light. There's no light here. I know what you're talking about. The sofa pillows need to be fluffed. What sofa? What pillows? I have you up on a 100-inch screen, and that lamp is definitely been moved. It's you moved it. Oh my! I can't buy NVIDIA puts, so damn expensive. What's the best case on Disney? Everyone gets vaccinated, and the virus disappears, and everything's back to normal. That's the best case for Disney. Without that, there is no best case for Disney. Those parks are going to be bleeding that company money. They're not going to be at capacity. Let's see. I think we can say for sure the lamp has a 3-way switch. I think we can say that. Bobby, my membership due is coming up for your channel. I'd like to renew, but the left driver's tire on my car is low on air right now. And if you can get that back up to pressure, I'll renew my membership. There you go. There you go. Oh, man. Good idea, Cheddar. Let's see here. It's Bruce's forehead that's blind and blinding. That's what's shiny, I'm pretty sure he's sitting in front of a green screen, and he's still in Canada. He's still in Creston. The whole time. He never moved. He's just been in Creston the whole time. Pretty sure what's going on. Spire, 462, 463. Trying to go higher. ATIP is 345, up 9 cents. We're moving higher at the end. 7.99 on ME. 16.44 up a nickel on SoFi. The Dow at 621. It's not going much higher at the end. It's actually off a bit, but some of these stocks are popping here for us. Some of our stocks, 463 on Spire, up 48 cents. Another penny has been ground out. Another one higher. How about that? I don't know. Uncle Bruce, do we need to know what caused Spire to run up to $20 a couple of months ago? Wondering if that was the one anomaly, waiting for a rally on Spire and ATP. I really can't answer. I don't know. Sorry it took me so long to understand the Disney's Garbino. I've just seen what my color my bagel is now. Did you respond to the email guy? Did I respond to email guy? Well, email guy did respond to me, mentioning an emailer, but I won't say anything more about that. I could see the Bagel family on a cruise, drinking, dancing, and discussing how SoFi made us rich. Thanks to Tio. Thanks to Uncle Bruce. Thank you. Oh, you're welcome. Welcome. Hey, Bruce, my January 30s into Jan 2023 30s on Matterport, while I meant to get 35s, I have a total credit of 650. What do you recommend I do tomorrow, next week? Still figuring out covered calls. I rolled my January 30s into January 2023 30s while I meant to get 35s. I've got a total credit of 650. What would you recommend I do tomorrow or next week? I still figuring out covered call. Okay, so because you rolled into for longer time, you got more money. That's what happened. Okay, and you wanted to go $5 higher, but you didn't, and now you don't. Well, look at the stock. If it drops $3-4 tomorrow to 25-ish, I don't know if it will, but let's say it did. These might back off a bit, and you can buy them back for cheaper. And then maybe buy those back, and then wait and see if you want to write 30s back closer in. The stock pops back up in the afternoon tomorrow. You want to write, 30, 35s for whatever. Hey, Tim, you're fine. I mean, you're okay. But yeah, you are still figuring out cover. You got to pay attention when you make these trades, Tim. You got to pay real good attention. 463 to 464 on Spire now. 48.5 cent gain right now or more. 344 and a half on ATIP up 9, 345 on ATIP up 9 cents. We are closing in 2.5, 3 minutes. I like the stock, says Aaron. Is the door open behind him? What door? I don't know what you're talking about. There's no window behind the curtains. I did that yesterday, by the way. Okay, gotcha. So you are definitely winning on that trade, aren't you? Those have backed off, haven't they? So you're doing okay. Let's see if the stock wants to give up a couple more bucks tomorrow. Maybe 24.50, 25.50. I don't know. Your calls might drop so much that you'll buy them back. Sit on this. Do this. Sit in the sidelines. Stock bounces up to 28.29. You might write 30s for December 17 or 35s for January 2022. Let's just see what happens. Okay. That whole California thing is a lie to make us think he can't play Yoko anymore, because Yoko's album is just over there because it's a green screen. It's all pretend. He needs a pat on his head from a makeup person, by the way. It's too shiny. Larry, I was thinking exactly the same thing. Bruce was never in Creston. Bruce only exists in cyberspace, like Max Headroom. That's all I'm doing. Cheddar, laugh. I'm not doing it. I'm not going on the rant talking about all the TV channels that people watch that Disney actually owns, or how it's not the parks, it's about Disney, and I'm not doing it. Okay, good. Spire run up because the float was small, 10 million-ish, due to 90% redemption, and it dropped because Spire released 80 million shares into the market. That's my understanding anyway, says Nomacity. Okay, whatever. DQ, wow, Max Headroom, oh man. Sell the news on Rocket Lab, I guess. We're down to 2 minutes. Could Spire run up again? Where's the jury on that? DQ, how much Spire ATIP do you own? Fun chat this afternoon. Bagel later, gang. Thank you, John. Matterport spanked me hard today. Give us 10 days in a row with 40 cents a day on ME Spire just to get things going. By the way, thumbs ups. No lamp exists. Take it easy. I don't believe in lamps or cats. Bruce Headroom. Now that's an idea. Bruce, I'm looking for an alternative fuel for my car, considering the methane created by my baked bean and egg breakfasts. Surprised y'all don't talk about the cats that's always in the background. I'm with you, Cheddar. Under 50 thumbs ups. Come on, thumbs ups. Carnival is up 9. Royal Caribbean's up 6. I don't know what that's talking about. Should I buy another hand GameStop today, or should I wait for the earnings call 6 days, considering the history of those things? I don't know. Everyone's testing positive for COVID, but not out. For COVID out by me, I'm in the basement hiding with Uncle Bruce. Everyone else is going positive on this thing. We got a minute to go. We're going to close this day out. Here we are. Spire, 464, up 49 cents. ATIP up 11 to 347. ME at 799, up 45. Matterport, 28.48. GameStop up 202. SoFi up 4 cents. Rocket Lab down 39. Smart Rent 10.13. Cyxtera up 12. The Dow up 624, not near the high, but it's still a gain on the day. I guess we'll take the gain on the day. Thank you. Royal Caribbean up 460 a share. Norwegian up 146. Carnival up 152. Goldman up $11 to 387. And we're coming into the last minute. We're coming into bells. We're coming into the bells. It's gonna happen. That's all I'm saying. Absolutely. We're going to be into the bells. There's Larry did it. It's been done. Larry, thank you for the bells. We are done for another fun day. 1643 on the SoFi, up 4 cents. Rocket Lab, 1481, down 38. GameStop, up 203. Matterport, down 268. ME, $8 even. $8 on the nose on ME at the end. Spire, 465, up 50 cents on Spire. 465. Final trade up 50 cents. 344 on an ATIP, up 8. Smart Rent 10.13, down 69 cents. Cyxtera up 12 cents to 10.12. 619 gain on the Dow. 64 on S&P. Nasdaq up 127. Okay. Led by Boeing. The Dow led by Boeing and American Express today. That's what happened today. Very interesting. Two charged with stealing 20 million in elaborate YouTube music royalty scam. Oh, that's interesting. 619 on the Dow. Okay. Okay. And okay. Yeah, interesting day today for sure. Now let's take a look at some after hours instant results. We've got Rocket Lab up 1 penny on the aftermarket to 1482. SoFi unchanged in the aftermarket. GameStop 13 cents higher in the aftermarket. Matterport 8 cents higher in the aftermarket. ME no trades in the aftermarket. Spire no change in the aftermarket. ATIP up 2 cents to 346 aftermarket. Smart Rent up a penny at 1014. Sextera unchanged in the aftermarket. That's the deal EO, kids. That is the deal EO. And Cisco was up 112. 56.15 for Cisco in the aftermarket today. Right on. Interesting day today, isn't it? Very entertaining day. There we go. And let's see here. Okay. Tim says, when I run the option on through an option calculator, it says it would need to drop like $22 to be worth $650. I don't know what that means. And let's go. No one under 40 knows who the hell Max Headroom was. Bruce, today I bought in cheap. Do you think I should do that next, or should I wait for that? I don't know I don't quite know what's going on here. And yeah, no, Bruce is definitely still in Creston. He's just in a different room to pretend he's in Palm Desert so the trolls can't find him. That's what's really going on here. Yeah, like Aspire didn't crap out. I like it. There you go. It didn't crap out tonight. Couldn't you think of something more interesting in the background, though? I mean, this is kind of, Tiff, Uncle Bruce, I bought an ME July $15 call with a strike price for $5. What is that? I bought a July 15th call with a strike price of $5 for $3.40. Oh, okay. I'm still trying to figure out which calls are a good deal or not. So was premium 40 cents high or not? So you bought a July call for next year for $5 strike price on ME. It's trading at $8. So you're only paying a 40-cent premium. That is an exceptionally good deal. That is really a good price. You're paying a 40-cent premium on a stock till next July. I like that a lot. And look, the stock goes to $10. It can easily do that. You know that. I know that. That contract is a $5 contract, book value. Even if it trades at $5.50, you're already up almost $2. Nice. You're up more than $2. Nice. Okay. Let's see. You know what? I'm 4,600 higher than I was yesterday. Let's do that again. I'm kind of happy with that. Check y'all in the morning, says Joanne. Thank you. Have you met my hedgehog named Steve? And that'd be awesome if 411 was the bottom on Spire. Now we go upward. Let's see. Should we avoid writing covered calls on GameStop next week because of the earnings reports? We'll find out. If the stock takes a shot, great. You can roll up your contracts, roll them over. And if it then backs off, thank you. Let's see what happens. I don't know. Yeah, Tiff, 3 into the money, a 40-cent premium on 8 months. That is awesome. Tiff, you won't really care if you got it for 30 or 40 or 50 premium when it's so much in the money. As long as the stock doesn't crap out, you're just owning 2.5 leveraged ME till July. Way to go. Let's see. Let's go. Whew. Well, I told you I bought back Matterport calls this morning. I see that those calls went down more. I missed out on about 400, but I made over 1,000. We'll call that 400 the angel's cut, laughing out loud. Exactly. Look at how much you made and go, thank you. Thank you very much. I'll get ready to do it again any old time. You betcha. Winning is winning. That's right, Red Solo. Winning is winning. I sent Uncle Bruce's cut through PayPal earlier, says Gold. Right on, buddy. I like to party. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. What is happening? GameStop earnings is the perfect time to write calls. Laugh out loud. It always goes down, says Anti-PC. Well, we'll see how it all works out here. Let's take a look at the aftermarket now. Get a refresh here. We've got the Dow up 617, final number. We have Spire right now at 465 in the aftermarket. We gained 50 cents today, and we're holding 465 in the aftermarket right now on 11,400 shares. So way to go, Spire. Thank you very much. Matterport closed at 28.50 on the trading day. We're at 28.70 right now, 20 cents higher in the aftermarket. 139,000 volume, 28.62 up 12 cents now. Jumping around, of course. ATIP closed at 344, up 8. We're now 346 on 2,500 shares. We have, let's see what else is going on here. Waiting for my machine to catch up here. Not complaining about the lost cash. I'm just happy with making any profit. I'm with you there. That's good stuff. $1,000 profit, 10 classes paid for. There you go. Not bad. Not bad at all if you're doing 10 classes. Let's see. I'm only 7, says Mr. T. SoFi inching up in the after hours. ATIP 346 right now. SoFi after hours 1649 up 6 cents. A little higher. Yep. Looking a little better all the time. Okay. Let's see if we can do that and go here. GameStop right now, 181.56, down 31 cents in the aftermarket. Rocket Lab, 1481, 1482 in the aftermarket, 1 penny higher. Not much going on. Okay. How many bagels would a beagle bake if a bagel could bake bagels? There you go. These are skill testers. There you go. I've got 1652 on SoFi, says Anti-PC, so it must be even better. How about that? We'll take any gain, all the gains. We'll take them all, and we'll run with the gains. Thank you very much. SoFi. There we go. 1650 up 7 cents. I'm showing here. Okay. 1,400 traded though. No, 1.4 million. Excuse me. 1.4 million traded in SoFi in the aftermarket. Looking good. 6-7 cent gain. I guess with SoFi, the third time to 24 is the charm. Let's see what happens. Yeah, baby. Go, baby, go. Matterport 28.66 up 16 cents now in the aftermarket. Spire 464 down a penny in the aftermarket. ATIP 346 up 2 cents in the aftermarket. Okay, there it is. All right. Impressive that Bruce is able to play chess in the background there simultaneously too. I mean, he's losing horribly, but still it's impressive. Looking for 300 likes. Are we just about there? 294 on the thumbs ups. That's pretty good, guys. Thank you. 6 to go. We got 300. Thank you all for that. We're at 1650 on SoFi, up 7 cents on 1.4 million aftermarket volume right now. Okay. 297 thumbs ups. 3 to go to hit 300. Thank you all. Thank you. And there it is. 298. We're just about there. How about all that? Thank you all. And let's see what we have there, and there. Thank you all for being here today. Thank you for your support. And those of you picking up classes, way to go. Sonny man, I'll take care of you in a moment. I'll get you looked after. No problem. We'll get you looked after in just a bit. Okay. Thank you all so much for being here with me today. I want you to have a good night. Stay healthy for me. Join me tomorrow, Friday, option expiry day. We're starting at 8:30 in the morning, as we always do. I look forward to having you join me then. Let's see if we can make some money on these option expiry days, as we always try and do. And please come by. We now have 309 thumbs up, so you guys. Thank you so much. Got to get Bruce to 300, and you did it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I wonder what will happen to Uncle Bruce's PayPal account if and when ATIP Inspire hit $10. Oh, man. Let's make that happen tomorrow and find out. Oh, that'd be kind of fun. What can we say? Yeah. There you go. Have a great day, everybody. Stay healthy. Indeed. Night, Bruce. Thank you, Sharon. You take care. Guys, have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning if you're going to be around. Night all, and let's make some money then. And let's get richer. How about that? Let's go. Let's go. Take care, everybody. Drew, take care. Is he going to kill Sonny, man? Every time Bruce says he'll take care of someone, I get concerned. That's not to worry, Mr. T. All is well. Okay, I got to go. See you guys later. Bye.